Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we will be working on the Dodge Dart, guys. And if you're trying to find the fuse for the run start relay, it's actually a fuse that controls it. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. Now if that fuse doesn't work, guys, your car will not start. You will turn the key on or you will press the push start button depending on which one you have, and nothing will happen. Only the lights will come on that cluster and the car will not start. It will act like you have a bad starter, but it's actually not a starter fuse, guys. This is a run start relay fuse, so it's a different thing. We have a video about a starter fuse. Check this one as well, guys, but in today's video we'll cover that. So quick introduction: we guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, including this Dodge Dart. Why we do all that? Because our mission, guys, here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money on car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. Now I'll go ahead, open the hood, guys, okay, and I'll demonstrate quick, okay, how the car does not want to start. So let me do that quick now. So I want to show you how this car will not start now. Okay, this is a push start button. So I have the key in the pocket. Okay, let me get it out so I can demonstrate and say that I'm not hiding anything. I leave it there, press the brake, start, nothing, guys. Lights come on, like the car is starting, but it's not starting. So I'll go ahead, turn it off, and we'll show you guys what is causing that now. So now the fuse box, guys, that we need is right here. You have two more fuse boxes there inside, but how you open that thing? Okay, right here you press in, you pull up, and you come out like that. The fuse numbers are on the back side now, guys, okay, right here. And which fuse we need to check? Okay, first let me explain. If you have a T, that's a relay. If you have an F, that's a fuse. We need to find fuse number fuse number 11, F11, this one right here. It will be the second fuse, okay, right there, guys. And if you're on the market for good replacement fuses for a super good price, guys, okay, check these things out. You can get them for a super good price. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. They come with free fuse puller as well. I'll go ahead, okay, grab a fuse, replace it with a new one, guys. Okay, and we'll see if the car will actually start now. So let's go ahead, go inside, see if it's going to fire up. So everything should be good now. We replace the fuse. Let's go inside. Listen now, guys, what's going to happen. Key is here, press the brake. So we started with no problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.